The meme coin market just took a heavy hit, down 21% in a week. But BNB Chain is stepping up with a $45 million airdrop to over 160,000 traders wrecked by the crash. It's Binance's biggest user relief move ever, called the Reload Airdrop, and payouts finish by early November. The meme sector's value dropped to $57 billion, and even giants like Shiba Inu and Pepe are bleeding. Still, a few outliers thrived. Dogekiller Leash pumped nearly 400%, and Smart Pocket stayed green. Meanwhile, Bonk Inc., a rebranded beverage company, is going all in on Solana memes, aiming to secure 5% of Bonk's supply by year-end. And meme builders aren't slowing down. Pump.fun just launched over 14,000 coins in 24 hours. Meme season isn't dead. It's just reloading.